Okay.
No, thank you. All right, so students will be able to apply the ideal understandings of measurement, read, draw, write, by solving two-step word problems. Thank you. All right. So, you don't have to write anything right now. Oh no, this was something pop up. Oh no. Okay, so what does RDW stand for? Linda, you had your arm up? No? Okay. King. Read, draw, write. Alright, so then right here on your paper, I don't have one. Oh, it's right here. So on your paper, it says RDW. I want you to write read, draw, write. So I already have it written out right here. So you can just copy the words. So you can know what we gotta do. Read. So yep, so read. Write your name. Write, read, draw, write. I see Evan's doing it. No, you gotta write it right here. Do we have to write right here? Read, draw,
No.
write.
No, we have to write.
Oh! No, just don't
We
touch it.
cannot touch it.
So if you're gonna be up here, stay right here. Don't touch the board.
Oh, do you have to write
No, we're not gonna write the little words. All I ask right now is just write, read, draw, write. So I see Messiah did it. I see that Evan did it. We got a couple of our friends up here finishing writing up the words. That's okay. All right, and then we're gonna do quickly. So there we go. So Jamina finished it up. Not appropriate. Awesome. I think Mari did it. Alright, we're finishing up while we're up here. And once you're done, go back to your desk so we can continue. Yep, you just write this word, right. W-R-I-T-E. There we go. Alright, come on, Santiago. So, when we read, what do? We underline what words? Messiah?
Numbers?
We underline numbers. That's a good one. What is something else we underline, Kamari? Names. And then what else, Santiago?
We underline the things that answering the question.
They're answering the question. Okay, so you mean like math terms? There we go. So math terms. So we have our math words up here, right? So we have total means to add, take away means to subtract. So those are some words that you can use to underline when we're reading. And if you don't understand what it's talking about, just remember, you gotta look for numbers, math terms, names, or items. So when we draw, what do we need to do when we draw? What is something we can do? Messiah?
You can draw something, a picture.
Draw a picture. Kamari?
If it's too big, we can draw with tens and ones.
Yeah, so if it's too big, you can do your tens as a line and your ones as blocks. Evan?
You can also write your name.
Yeah, you can write the name, so your label you mean.
Like this.
Yeah. So you can write your name and your label. So I want you to write in your bigger box underneath from RDW, I want you to write something so you can remember. So write numbers, you can write numbers, math terms, names, stuff that it will help you remember. when you read, you need to underline important words. So in my box, I have a whiteboard marker. Okay.
Any whiteboard markers?
I got one. Don't worry. All right. So how you guys have it is read, and you have a tiny box, and then you have a super big box. In my big box, I'm gonna write underline important words.
That's what we only have to put in there?
Or you can put that, or you can put just the bullet points that I have right there. So you can do that. You can just have in your big box just bullet points, because that's what you know that you have to underline. So you remember you have to underline names and numbers, whatever you need to remember under your read box. So you can have it however you want it. So I see Cheyenne wrote names. She needs to remember names. Should we remember numbers? That's something important. Right here. Put names and stuff like you need to remember. There we go. There you go. I see a good amount of us are writing a lot of good information and stuff we need to remember.
I really need to remember.
There you go.
I don't have this pen because you have to kill
There we go. So I see a lot of us are writing some good information down. You're gonna be able to sit on the ground. The second person's running late, so she has to go. Alright. So, you might need to remember names, you might need to remember numbers, or items or math terms. You need to remember anything else? Some numbers? No? You might need to remember anything else? No, you don't need to remember numbers? I think you might need to. There we go. Is there any other stuff you might need to remember when you're reading? Yes? Yeah, you can look at here, you can look over there. And then we already talked about our draw, right? And we have to remember, make it quick and easy. So, in your draw box, underneath in that big one, put quick and easy for your drawing. Or you can have your own drawing in there. Something that you will remember. So when you look back at this paper.
Uncle Larry, if I could be good and not get in a fight, and
Whatever you want. Stuff that you need to remember with. Well, this is quick and easy, so what do you usually draw
my dad
when you
would
draw
give me
right?
a surprise, and it's something I really want. And I wonder what it's
Evan,
going to be.
you're trying to do it. Stop, one second, please. No, you just need to write whatever you need to remember. Okay, so we got our draw, right? So in our draw, we can put quick and easy. Or we can draw something else. We can draw our 10 blocks or our 1 blocks. Tomorrow you pointed out, we can do that for our draw. So in our draw box, we can write whatever we feel like can help us remember during redraw right. 1 block, 10 blocks. I can do my bar model that we learned in some of our groups. Or this is not turn around, face the board. Sorry. Alright, so you can do whatever you want. You can write what I wrote up here, or you can draw what I wrote over here.
That looks like a bed.
It's not a bed. Remember we did that in our small group, Evan? Our or whole?
Can I get
You can do it from your desk. You're not that far back. Santiago, close your mouth.
My Wolverine.
So, I see a good amount.